In this video, I will be showing you how we can do video to video AI effects by using Omni in the Gemini AI app. So the prerequisite is going to be you must have a paid Gemini plan. So this is the video that I'm going to use. Basically a car going on the road during an evening time. So what I'm going to do is, with the help of the Omni model, I'm going to input this video and convert the theme of the video into a night time with some lightning effects in the background. So now let's input it. Just click on this plus, or you can simply click on the videos icon over here. Click on create video and just upload the video over here from upload files. I have added that video and this is the prompt that I'm going with. Turn this video into a dark cinematic night scene with lightning in the background. I've also given keep the subject and the camera movement the same. So I'm not changing any of those stuff. Only the background and overall theme of the video is going to change. Let's see what it can give for this. I'm also going to try another prompt. This time, rather than changing the theme, I'm going to replace the car with an animal. This is the prompt that I'm giving. Replace the car with a hyper realistic horse while keeping the background, camera movement, everything the same. Okay, so let's see what it gives for this also. Another prompt. This time I'm inputting another sofa. Okay, this is the car video and a sofa, and this is going to be my prompt. I'm going to add the sofa naturally on the car and everything is literally the same. So basically the sofa will be on top of the car. That's it. So you can even like try uploading videos and try adding or replacing an image also to it. So this is also another use case. You can add many images also. So let's see what it gives for this. So we have got the output for the car with night theme. Let me just download and play it now. So here I'm having it. Wow. That just looks stunning. Another great thing is it has added that sound effects because my original video didn't have any sound. It looks much more high quality. So let me just play it now together. Next video is also ready where we asked Omni to remove the car and replace it with a horse. Let me just play it now. And it has exactly replaced the car with the horse. That's amazing. Everything looks same, the background and the road, that's top notch. And final video, I asked it to put a sofa and we have got the output for this also. And we are having the car and also the sofa is on top. And yep, I won't complain for that also. That looks absolutely perfect. I really like how it is not completely changing the background. Like I would say it has retained the background very well, like almost 90% it has kept the background intact, and this is such an amazing video generation model from Google. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.